people just drug this palette through the mud. Like, it's like they forgot all the good things Anastasia ever did for them, and they just were like, fuck Anastasia. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you've never been to my channel before, hello, my name is Brittany, and my channel name is pronounced Bradderstein. If you are new and you've never been here before, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And before you leave, I put out new videos every week, fitness and beauty related, whichever is your cup of tea. Speaking of a cup of tea, where is it? This is my cup of tea. Today's video is going to be kind of a fun one for me. At least I'm excited to do it. Today's video is going to be me giving the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette another shot. A little, hopefully, better experience and some more love. You know, it's the most, I guess, controversial palette that's ever been released, maybe, something like that. It was pretty intense, and my first review of it was decent, but not great, is basically what I came down to, and then I saw so many videos of how much people didn't like it, and I feel like that kind of swayed me a bit in my thinking of it, and I haven't given it a shot since. So I spent my money on it, or actually I believe my husband did. It was a gift, and so I want to try to get some use out of it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go in with this, that color scheme though. Isn't that like, don't you just wish that it worked perfectly because it's so gorgeous? I know I do. These are colors that scream to me. So I'm going to give this palette another shot and see where we land on this subculture situation. I close my hair. If you like this video when you're watching it, or you like this idea, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know. And let me know if you have the subculture palette, and if you, if you liked it, or if you hated it, or if you gave it another shot, or what your situation is on it. I'd love to know. I would love to talk to you. Okay, and without any more time wasted talking, let's go ahead and get into the video, huh? If you would like to see me try to work with the subculture palette yet again, just keep on watching. Alright, now that I got y'all close and personal, let's go ahead and put some makeup on my eyes, huh? So I don't remember the colors I used last time, but I'm going to start by taking Dawn and working that in through the crease, and just seeing how that little girl works. That color didn't give me any issue. It does have a lot of fallout, but we all already know that this palette has fallout. It's not new information. I think that color is really pretty. I'm gonna smudge the same color on my lower lash line. Okay. There we are. Next I'm going to take New Wave here. Alright, and I'm going to go back in with a little more Dawn to blend out the edges. Okay, so far so good. I'm not experiencing any issue as of yet. Again, New Wave under the eye. I haven't figured out exactly what I want to do. I kind of want to do a halo eye. I just don't really know the type yet. So I think I'm going to take Roxy now. I think that's pretty. I'm not really having that much issue with at least the colors that I'm using this time. I know the first time I went around I used the darker colors, the purples and stuff, and I didn't have the best experience, but I'm trying to use colors I didn't use, or at least I don't remember using in my first video. But I mean, this doesn't look bad at all so far. Okay, now what, guys? I think I want to take just a smidgen of edge in the crease, just because I love those yellows. Those are my shades. And kind of put that in the crease. Give it a little yellowy in there. Yeah, there we go. It's a little darker than I thought. Looks a little brighter in the pan, but still quite pretty. This lower lash line went a little lower than I wanted. Okay, and I think I want to take the shade Cube and put it on the center. I feel like that'll be pretty. Let's try her out. Okay, so this shade is pretty, but you do sort of have to work for her. She's a little like tough in the pan. She's in there. She don't want to come out. But once on the lid, I don't know if you can see it, it's the prettiest pinky kind of shade. I love it. It's very pretty. I'm not like in love with that. I guess, I don't know what to do. I guess I'll try to pop a little bit of electric on top. I don't know how this is gonna look, but I will say my hands are getting really dirty just from holding this, but because I just don't feel like I'm getting enough from the pink. Oh, that's a little prettier. I don't know if it matches very well, but it's definitely prettier. All right, yeah, that definitely looks better. So now let's go back in with a little bit of Roxy, because I feel like we lost her a little bit in the blending. Just put that over the edges. I'm not really mad at what we have going on here. I almost want to add a little fudge, but I'm worried that'll ruin what I got going on here, and I don't want to ruin it, but let's just take the tiniest bit on the outer corner and see what I'm feeling about it. Doesn't do much, so I mean, gotta even it out now. I will say up close fudge looks a little patchy, but it's not that bad. I'm not like mad about it. Now a little fudge on the lower lash line, really close to the lashes. Ooh, yeah, she's dark. And let's just smudge her out with this brush that doesn't have any new product on it. Not mad at how this look came out, to be honest. Looks kind of pretty. All right, let me go ahead and pop on some mascara and I think a little bit of liner, and I will be right back to finish this look off. All right, guys, so I'm back and this is the completed eye look. I just did just a line on the top instead of a wing and some mascara, and I think it turned out really pretty. My thoughts are kind of the same, to be honest, but let's go ahead and pop on some lips and some highlighter because I feel odd without them. Do I look odd? I feel like a little troll person. So let's put up some lipstick. So this is going to be the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Saint. It's a little baby one that I got in like a Christmas set, and I haven't actually ever tried her liquid lipsticks. So let's go ahead and pop this on. That's a pretty pink. All right, so that is the shade Saint from Kat Von D. I think it looks pretty. I've been in like a really serious pink lipstick kind of mood lately. Like I've just been a pink lipstick bitch lately, but I'm really into the color of this. Formula wise, I did have to go over it twice and I don't know how they dry down because I've never used them before. So we will go ahead and let it dry down and then we'll check it out. But let's go ahead and highlight. I'm debating on what highlight to use. I'm thinking either Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown or Elf and Starlight Glow. Oof, Starlight Glow is so pretty, and I don't know if I've ever used this on my channel. Let's go with this one. This is beautiful, but this is what we're gonna do today. Alright guys, so now that we are sufficiently highlighted and we have our lips on, I guess let's talk about the palette again. My thoughts on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette are pretty much the same as they were the first time I used it. I think it's good. I don't think it's great. I think this eye look came out nice, but I did stay away from all this stuff over here that could have made it difficult. I did jump into Fudge a little bit, and that was the only shade that did get a little patchy, which the darker shades I remember having that issue with. So I will use it. I'm still going to use it. I really like how this came out. I like how the warm tones worked. You just kind of got to move slowly. Don't go too crazy. And it just sucks because look at that beautiful purple. I'll probably try the darker shades again. Probably not on camera because how many subculture videos do I need? You know what I mean? But I do like it. I'm not going to say I don't like it. I know everybody's like really anti this, but I think it's good and I think you can make it work with a little bit of patience, and I think my eye look came out really nice. And it doesn't look patchy or unblended up close, so that's kind of the point, right? Right? Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and let me know down below what you think of the Subculture palette, and if you haven't picked it up, do you plan to? And if you did, do you regret it? Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any other videos I'll be putting up every week, at least once a week, maybe twice a week, I don't know. Well, we're playing it by ear right now. And again, thank you so much for hanging out with me on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Did you like what you just saw? If you did, you know what I'm going to tell you. It's to click on one of these two videos over here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel so you can hang out all the time, click on my face right over here and it'll take you where you can do so. Then you can hang out with me, and you want to see who else you can hang out with. Wait, this guy's been sleeping next to me the whole time. You can hang out with him. He's not happy. But look it. You could see him if you subscribe and come back and hang with him. I'm going to put him down. He's pissy. But yeah, that's what should happen. And that's what you should do. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.